you. You want to play with it? Wow. Want to open?
Open.
Oh, someone's excited, I think. Ooh, let's see. What's this part? Oh, I think that's the chair. Put that here. Oh, little girl.
The one
Mm.
You say thank you to Uncle Mark and Aunt Jamie?
You say thank you.
That's nice.
Can you say it again? Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Dada.